I think when people pull up to the front of our middle school, realizing it was the first building on campus, you see the windows on the front, they're beautiful. It's stunning on the front. If you were to drive around to the side and around the back, you would see that the windows did not get replaced.
So these windows that we are looking at right now are part of the original building. They need to be replaced. As we have seal failure on the windows, as they are fogging up and they're not energy efficient. So right here you can see that the seal has failed. There's all sorts of fog in the window. So that means it's basically seal failure. You got to keep up every year, you know, your roof needs to be replaced at home, your water heaters need to be replaced, boilers, furnaces, all that need to be replaced. So we're just updating and replacing. We are getting ahead of it. The high school was fully renovated back in 2019. We still need to renovate all the bathrooms that exist at the high school. So part of this project will be renovating those bathrooms. Just to get them up to date. These are bathrooms from the 1960s and 70s. Hopefully with this project we can get ahead on this and get some of that infrastructure in. In 2027, any new bus that is purchased needs to be zero emissions, and then by 2035, all buses need to be zero emissions.
These are needs I hear about on a day-to-day basis from our faculty and staff, and this will allow success for our future for all students.